Page 340, this is practicing the harmonic minor scales, arpeggios, and the diminished sevenths for what they call group 3. Okay, group 3, whatever that is. F sharp minor, and you're saying, what's the major key? Well, go up 3 half steps or a minor third, and that'll tell you. From F sharp, if I go up 3 half steps, 1, 2, 3, or just 3 notes on the piano chromatically. Start here, 1, 2, 3. See, in that case, this is not 1, this is. So it's a little confusing. But if I go up 3 half steps, that's 1, 2, 3. Or I go up a minor third. However, you keep it straight. But that'll tell you the major key, and that would be A major. So you know F sharp minor has 3 sharps. That's how I do it, because I don't memorize the minor key signature. C sharp minor here. Well, again, 1, 2, 3, minor third up here, that would be E major. Therefore, C sharp minor has 4 sharps. G sharp minor is here. And again, a minor third up is here. 1, 2, 3 here. That would be B major. B major has 5 sharps. Therefore, G sharp minor has 5 sharps. Then B flat minor, go up a third. A minor third would be here. 1, 2, 3. D flat major has 5 flats. Therefore, B flat minor has 5 flats. And then finally, E flat minor. Well, go up a minor third again. See, this distance, when you're no black key, this is a minor third. Because it's 1, 2, 3. Well, G flat major has 6 flats. Therefore, E flat minor has 6 flats. Isn't that lovely? And you're practicing these scales on this thing here. Remember, they're minor scales, not major scales. Think minor here. Then they want you to do the arpeggios, and we're just talking about the 1 chord. That's all we're doing, is starting on the note given, F sharp or C sharp or whatever it is, and you go to 1 chord. The thumb plays the white key. 4. Here, not 3. No, 4. And then the diminished, well, again, start with a note given, and you're just going up minor thirds. These 2 and 3 and 4 play those, so you start on 3 and 4. Here. Remember, with the diminished sevenths, there's only 3 of them. So once you get them, you got them. You got this, and you got this, and you got this. And that's it. Or you're playing 7 versions of them. That's all these are. Oh, you can do that. I got videos on all of these, and I prefer the way I do it in the video. But you do it however your teacher tells you to do it.